What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're 5 days into the new year. Seems like it's gonna be an alright one, though. I'm looking forward to whatever the future brings. I definitely appreciate all of you that have been here to support the last few years that we've been doing this thing. Get over and show BBC all the love of the world. Happy New Year. London Fireworks 2025. You know London puts on some crazy fireworks shows. We've seen them before. Let's jump in. Let's check it out together, see what we got. Let's roll.
This program contains flashing images.
Yeah. It doesn't even seem like you should have to put that warning on there. You're kind of going to watch fireworks? Shout out to Chris, by the way, for the request. It's going to contain some flashing images.
This program contains flashing images.
London already has like one of the coolest skylines, I think. So the fireworks show over the river right here, like it works. So cool.
This is London. London town. Let me take you by hand and lead you through the streets of London.
Tweaking, 120 on the M-way speeding.
Oh, the people. Trust me, Daddy, there will always be a bit of my heart devoted to it. So many people. Ladies and gentlemen, London is home.
Yo, the fireworks literally went with the beat right there. That was pretty sick.
Open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel that rain on your skin, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel
It's so sick. The music that they pick out, everything is top.
no one else can speak the words on your lips. Put yourself in words unspoken, live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins. Just feel the rhythm, feel the rain, feel the rain, feel the rain.
It's so cold.
Let's take it back to 2024.
We're going in search of summer, but no sign of that across the UK, that's for sure.
It's been one of the soggiest summers on record.
Why does it always rain on me? Why does it always rain on me?
Can't when we run down the stream.
Even when the sun is shining.
Why am I wet? Yeah, let's rain.
When skies are grey, hope is the way.
We needed something to brighten up the summer, and this is it.
Paris 2024!
A stunning games for Paralympics GB.
The bronze medal for Great Britain.
It's a silver medal.
Gold for being brilliant!
Welcome to the final of Euro 2024.
A moment of brilliance from Birmingham! Now in the line draw!
This is the coolest like rundown of the whole year. Like here's all of the great things that happen. We see enough of all of the negative things that happen everywhere around the world. This is heartwarming and it's damn, I don't know. I feel so comfortable watching it. It doesn't have to be some massive, crazy display. If it's done the right way, it can cover just a little bit of territory and it still has amazing optical effects.
When I met you in the summer.
That's rap.
The 80th anniversary of D-Day.
We were fighting for freedom. Freedom for everyone, not only for us.
I feel very proud I did something for peace.
This is amazing.
Even in the darkest moments, there is always hope.
As we start a new year, let's honor our history and never give up hope for the future.
Might really get this choked up, man. It's not just fireworks you're receiving at this.
No matter what happens, London will always be a city of hope and a place for everyone.
like a crazy good mashup that I want it on a damn soundtrack. I don't know. You get something else when you go to London to see fireworks. It's something that I definitely got to do. I've been around the world and I've seen a lot of fireworks displays in a lot of places. But this one is definitely up there with the amount of content and like thought that goes into the entire thing. It's much, much more than just going to watch some flashy lights. God, bringing in some spice.
It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got tools in a safe that I don't even wear. We like to party. Let's go. There's a party going on right here.
Hey, my God.
Let's celebrate. Come on now, celebrate your party with you. One more time.
Happy birthday to the London Eye.
We're gonna celebrate. One more time.
The London Eye, celebrating 25 years in London skyline.
Put the music together, but bravo!
There's a party downtown near Fifth Street. Everybody at the bar gets tipsy. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. Ain't on me and Jack Daniels got a history. At the bottom of a bottle, don't miss me.
Come on. Of course he's gonna have some shabuzi in there.
I need your love. Never ever be alone. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day. As long as I'm alive, and I'll be sports screen of pride.
I'll be standing there by you. I need your love.
God, let's go. That gotta be the grand finale. Jesus Christ. Yo!
As we enter a new year, I always remember what Mrs. Brown says. In London, everyone is different. But that means anyone can fit in. I think she must be right, because although I don't look like anyone else, I really do feel at home. Happy New Year. Love from Paddington.
The Paddington ending was epic. Yo, it was moving. That's how it ended. The ending was super moving. You got me choked up for sure. I really, really hope that everybody out there has a fantastic new year. I hope that it delivers all of the blessings that you could need or want. Lord knows it's hard out there. So anytime that people come together like this, they're getting messages like this, it brings me some happiness, some joy. It brings me some hope for the future. So here's to a great, great, great 2025. Shout out to all of the pyros behind this one. I don't even know how you pack that many fireworks into the amount of space that you packed them into to go for that long. But damn, good on you, because it was fantastic. The music was fantastic. The video itself was fantastic. Get over, show BBC all the love in the world if you haven't done so already. I'm looking forward to the rest of 2025. Thanks for being here, everybody. Smash the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you. Tell the next one of my the Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.